Tired of complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your kitchen game changer. This incredible pressure cooker makes delicious meals a breeze, saving you time and effort every single day. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one sleek device. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and so much more. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is practically on autopilot. Just select your meal and let it do the work. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup after every use. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its incredible versatility and precision, delivering consistent, perfect results whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to simplify your life, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link below. It's an absolute must-have for anyone wanting to cook smarter, not harder, and create amazing dishes effortlessly. Seriously, if you're upgrading your kitchen in 2025, this is the smart investment that pays off daily. Don't wait. Transform your cooking experience with the Instant Pot Duo Plus today.